Did you know that most people struggle with money not because they earn too little, but because they manage it poorly? In this video, I'll share 10 powerful personal finance tips that can completely change the way you manage your money and help you build a secure financial future. Managing money is one of the most important skills in life, yet many people are never taught how to do it properly. The good news is that building good financial habits is easier than you might think. In this video, we'll go through 10 personal finance tips everyone should know to achieve financial stability and long-term success. The first step to financial success is creating a budget. A budget helps you understand how much money you earn and how much you spend each month. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent and groceries, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes towards savings and investments. A budget gives you control over your money instead of wondering where it went. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies or job loss can happen anytime. That's why it's important to build an emergency fund. Financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This money should be kept in a safe and easily accessible place like a savings account. One of the most important rules of personal finance is simple: spend less than you earn. If you consistently spend more than your income, you will eventually fall into debt. But if you spend less than you earn, you can save and invest the difference. Over time, this habit can significantly improve your financial situation. The earlier you start saving, the more your money can grow through compounding. Compounding means your money earns interest, and that interest begins earning interest as well. Even small amounts saved regularly can grow into large sums over time. Starting early gives your investments more time to grow. Saving money is important, but investing helps your money grow faster. Investment options include stocks, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. The key is to invest consistently and focus on long-term growth rather than short-term profits. Smart investing can help you build wealth over time. Tip 6. Avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt can quickly become a financial burden. Credit cards and personal loans often carry high interest rates. If you cannot pay your balance in full each month, the interest charges can grow rapidly. Avoid unnecessary debt and always try to pay off credit card balances on time. Tip 7. Track your expenses. Tracking your expenses helps you understand where your money is going. Many people are surprised when they realize how much they spend on small daily purchases. By monitoring your spending, you can identify areas where you can save money and improve your financial habits. Tip 8. Protect yourself with insurance. Insurance protects you from major financial losses. Health insurance, life insurance, and vehicle insurance are essential forms of protection. Without insurance, a single emergency could wipe out years of savings. Insurance helps safeguard your financial future. Tip 9. Set financial goals. Setting clear financial goals gives your money a purpose. Your goals might include buying a house, starting a business, or saving for retirement. When you know what you are working toward, it becomes easier to stay disciplined and motivated. Tip 10. Keep learning about money. Personal finance is a lifelong learning process. The more you learn about money, investing, and financial planning, the better decisions you can make. Improving your financial knowledge is one of the best investments you can make. Building wealth does not happen overnight. But by following these 10 personal finance tips, you can take control of your money and build a stronger financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their financial life.